It is a dark, rainy night, and the weather is very terrible. I see an old black backpack lying alone on the street.
Oh my God! What is this dirty backpack on the street?
Wow! There is $1 million inside this bag. Wait. The phone is ringing right now and my hands are shaking.
10 minutes ago, a big storm started in the city. The wind is very strong, and nobody is outside tonight.
I must ride my bicycle fast to deliver this hot pizza.
The pizza is getting cold because the rain is too heavy.
I really hate this bad weather tonight. Look! What is that bright light behind me?
A black car is driving very fast and dangerous.
Stop! Stop your bicycle right now, Leo!
Oh my God, that black car almost hit my bicycle.
Oh no! The car loses control and hits a lamppost.
Look, a man in a black suit is getting out.
He looks very scared, and he is holding a bag.
Are you okay, sir? Why are you running away?
He does not answer me and runs into the dark alley. He is running very quickly in the heavy rain. Suddenly, the man trips and falls to the ground.
He drops his black backpack near the wall, but he stands up and continues running without the bag.
I can hear the loud police sirens from far away. This bag is very heavy. Let me take it home. This is my small room. I am very wet now. My life is difficult and I have many bills to pay. Oh my God, there is so much money on my bed!
Let me count. 100, 200, 300.
Is this really $1 million? I cannot believe it. I look at my mother's photo on the wall. Mom, you are very sick in the hospital now. I really need money to buy medicine for you, Mom. Can this mysterious money save my mother's life?
No, Leo. This is very wrong. Stealing is a bad thing.
This is not my money, so I must not keep it.
Suddenly, the phone rings again, and the screen says, "Boss."
My heart is beating fast, but I press the button. Hello? Who is speaking, please? Who are you?
Where is my black bag, boy?
Shut up and listen! Bring the backpack to the old train station in 15 minutes. If you do not come, I will find you and kill you.
He is very dangerous. I must put the money back.
I will go there, but I will not take his money.
I must do the right thing to protect my family.
The storm is heavy, and the wind is blowing hard.
Now, I am arriving at the old train station.
This place is abandoned, dark, and very scary.
Hello? Is anyone here tonight? Please answer me.
Wait, I can hear a strange noise over there. Look,
A man is stepping out from the dark. His face has blood. He is the car driver.
Give me the backpack. Give it to me quickly.
Wait, sir. You are hurt and your head is bleeding. Please help me, young boy. I am exhausted.
Suddenly, many bright flashlights appear from the doors.
The police are here. They are surrounding us now.
Freeze! Put your hands up and do not move.
Oh no. The police! I cannot run anymore. Help!
Watch out! The old roof of the station is breaking! Look up! A heavy iron bar is falling down!
It is falling on the man. I must save him.
My shoulder hurts so much. I cannot move.
Don't worry, brave boy. We are here to help.
Here is the backpack, sir. All the money is inside.
The next morning, I am at the police station.
My shoulder is fine now because of the doctor.
Drink some hot tea, Leo. You are very brave.
Thank you, sir. But is that man a bad criminal?
No, he is a rich businessman. Bad people kidnapped him.
Leo, you are our hero. Your honesty saved my husband.
Now, my mother is healthy, and she is very happy.
Look at this check, Mom. $50,000 reward.
I am so proud of you, Leo. You are honest.
Doing the right thing is best. Honesty changes your life.